Hello everyone, let's solve the CSAT PYQ. So let us first understand what is happening in the question. So an explosion occurs at some distance from an army camp. As soon as the camp hears the sound, first drone starts moving towards the explosion site. As soon as it reaches the site, it clicks a picture and the picture is immediately received at the camp at 5:02 p.m. Immediately after receiving this picture, second drone starts moving towards the same site. As soon as it reaches there, it clicks a picture and the picture is immediately received at the camp at 5:05 p.m. Now the speed of each drone is given as 30 meters per second and speed of sound is 300 meters per second, and we are asked to find the time of the explosion. So let the distance between the army camp and the explosion site be d. It is known that the second picture is received at 5:05 p.m. and the first picture is received at 5:02 p.m., which is when the second drone starts moving towards the explosion site. This means that the second drone takes 3 minutes to reach the explosion site. So let's calculate the distance between the explosion site and the army camp. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed of the drone is 30 meters per second and the time taken by the drone is 3 minutes or 180 seconds. So the distance between the army camp and the explosion site is 5400 meters. Now let's calculate the time taken by the sound to reach the army camp. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 5400 meters and the speed of sound is 300 meters per second. So this gives us 18 seconds. This means that after the explosion, the camp waits 18 seconds to hear the sound. Then, the first drone flies for 180 seconds or 3 minutes before reaching the explosion site. So, the first picture is received after 18 plus 180 seconds, which is equal to 198 seconds or 3 minutes 18 seconds. This is the time that we need to subtract from 5:02 p.m. So, this gives us 4:58 and 42 seconds p.m. So the correct answer is option C. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new CSAT PYQ. Thank you.